Okay, first graders, we have another week of opinion writing this week. And so we're going to just jump in and do a quick review of that format we've been using. Okay, so remember, in my opinion, I think is what we are using in every introduction sentence. In my opinion, I think. We want to make sure people know that we are sharing our opinion, not facts, and that we realize an opinion is about our own personal thoughts and feelings. Okay, so it's important to say that you're the one thinking this. And then we slow down for 2 sentences to share details about our reason for having this thought. And those details enhance the explanation that this is what we are feeling, this is how we are thinking, and at the same time we are trying to let other people know that our idea is good, and it would be great if they could maybe think similar to us. And if they have their own opinion, that's totally fine too. Okay, but we want to share the reasons why we think that they would appreciate our opinion. Okay, so we want to be kind of convincing in it. So we slow down here to say, I feel this way because, and then the second time we say, I also think this because. Okay, so we have 2 different ways to slow down and share our thinking. Okay, and then our conclusion is where we restate what our opinion was. Okay, and we explain that is why. Okay, so that's telling, go back to those reasons we gave. That is why, and then restate that opinion, I think. And then we can finish it off, okay? So, in my opinion, I think blank. I feel this way because blank. I also think this because blank. That is why I think blank. Okay, those are the sentence starters that we use. But remember, every time I said blank, it's time for you to start thinking of your own opinion. Okay? So, today, we are going to do one that kind of fun, goes with our science. And it's talking about some pollinators. We have a bee and we have a butterfly. Which would you rather be? In my opinion, I would rather be, okay, so we have a slightly different phrase here. I would rather be a blank. Okay, in my opinion, I would rather be a, and here is where you will put down which one, a bee or a butterfly. In my opinion, I would rather be a bee. Or in my opinion, I would rather be a butterfly. Share your thought here. Okay? Then we continue on the same way we've been doing it. I feel this way because. I feel this way. Because blank. Okay? Would you like to be a butterfly because they get to spend time in a chrysalis or cocoon? Or because they have bright colors? Would you feel this way because a bee gets to make honey? Okay. What is your reason? Maybe you like the idea that a bee has a stinger. Maybe you like the idea that people enjoy being around butterflies. Okay. What is your reason to choose a bee or a butterfly? I feel this way because. Okay, then we share our second reason. I also think this because blank. Okay, what's another reason you would prefer to be a bee or a butterfly? Okay, and then we have our conclusion like we've had every time. That is why. Okay, but again, we used a slightly different phrase here. So that is why, instead of in my opinion, and then we copy this. I would rather be a blank. I would rather be a blank. And that should be the same answer that you had before. A bee, then you put bee here. A butterfly, then you put butterfly here. Okay? And then this page is asking you, did you remember to use capitals at the beginning of your sentences? Did you put spaces between your words? Did you end with periods at the end of each sentence? Okay? And if you run out of space, you do have the back. Okay? And you can always color the picture. So I'm excited to hear why you would rather be a bee or a butterfly. I wonder how many we'll get of each. Maybe I'll let you know later. See you guys.